What are the essential elements of a decree? The term decree is defined under Section 22 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 CPC. For an adjudication to amount to a decree, the following essential elements must be present. Formal expression of an adjudication. There must be a formal expression of the decision of the court. A decree is not merely a decision but the formal and official declaration of that decision by the court. Determination of rights of the parties. The adjudication must determine the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. The rights determined may be substantive or procedural provided they relate to the dispute before the court. Adjudication must be given in a suit. The adjudication must be made in a suit instituted before a competent court. Decisions given in proceedings which are not suits generally do not amount to decree unless specifically provided by law. Conclusive determination. The adjudication must be conclusive as regard the court passing it. The court must have finally decided the matter before it, although the suit itself may not be completely disposed of. A decree may conclusively determine the rights of the parties even though further proceedings are required. Therefore, a decree may be preliminary decree whether further proceedings are necessary before the suit is finally disposed of. Final decree where the suit is completely disposed of. Conclusion. Thus, the essential element of a decree under Section 22 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 are formal expression of an adjudication, determination of the rights of the parties, adjudication in a suit, conclusive determination by the court. Only when all these elements are present can an adjudication be regarded as a decree under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908.